In this article, we will discuss about the integral equations, its definition, and its classification. We will discuss. Uh, an integral equation is an equation which an unknown function appears under an integral sign. Integral, you can sign. There is a close connection between differential and integral equation. You know that integral equation and differential can be reversed also, right? So integral equations are classified according to three main you can say options opinions are there. Three main means limit of integration. The integral questions can be means classified according to limit of integration also. It can be means the limit can be fixed also. It can have a one variable also. Means the lower limit is fixed and upper is variable. In this way, you can have. Similarly, the placement of unknown function means first kind. It is only the unknown function is inside the integral only, and the second kind is it can be the function can be inside the integral also, and it can be the outside also. Then the unknown function, the function about function can be homogeneous also. Because two type of functions are more broadly there, homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Both type can be there. In homogeneous is basically not homogeneous, or you can say, but degree are not the same. Like x square and xy, both in both case degrees two, right? So in this way, it is homogeneous. And if the degrees are not same, then it is inhomogeneous. So integral equations are important in many applications, like oscillations, string, the membrane, radio transfer. In many applications, the integral equation can be used. Similarly, if you see the broadly the classification of integral equations, it is broadly basically you can say it is Volterra integral equation. We will discuss first of all. That is two type of questions are there: Volterra first kind and Volterra second kind. Right? You can see here the limit here. You can see in Volterra means one is lower limit is fixed and upper limit is variable. So you can remember in this way, b means variable. So this limit is variable, right? This function is there. This k is basically kernel that we will not discuss here. Similarly, so if the first kind is there, the function is not outside, only inside. If it is a second kind, the function can be inside also and outside also. So this is a difference in two type of first kind and second type of Volterra integral equations are there. Similarly, we can have a Fredholm integral equations of first kind and second kind also. You can see here. Here the limits are changed. How it is changed? You can see the limit here is lower one is also fixed and upper one is also fixed. F, you can remember in this way. F for me is fixed. So A and B, first kind is there, so function is only inside. If it is second kind, then function can be outside also, and it can be inside also. So the Volterra and Fredholm equations are basically first kind and second kind that we are discussing. The third kind is also available in some literature, but this is basically the extension of second kind, nothing else. So broadly, you can say two type of questions are there, right? So Fredholm and the Volterra, right? Basically, the classification of discuss about basically can be done with the help of these two type of questions only. Okay, thank you.